Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. On the part of Maharaj Yudhishthira, it was quite in order to maintain his uncle in a befitting manner, but acceptance of such magnanimous hospitality by Dhritarashtra was not at all desirable. He accepted it because there was no other alternative. Vidura particularly came to enlighten Dhritarashtra and to give him a lift to the higher status of spiritual cognition. It is the duty of the enlightened souls to deliver the fallen ones, and Vidura came to that reason. But talks of spiritual enlightenment are so repressing that while instructing Dhritarashtra, Vidura attracted the attention of all the members of the family, and all of them took pleasure in hearing him patiently. This is the way of spiritual realization. The message should be heard attentively, and if spoken by realized soul, it will act on the dormant heart of the conditioned soul, and by continuously hearing, one can attain the perfect stage of self-realization. Therefore, Sravanam is very essential. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasam. So, in all our centers, this process should be followed. We have got now so many books. Simply, if we read books, our Yogeshwar Prabhu is very enthusiastic to read books. So everyone should read books and others should hear. That is very essential, Savanam. The more you hear, we have got so many books. And whatever is already published, just like we are describing one verse daily, at least there are so many verses already in stock, you can go on speaking for 50 years. These books are already published. You can go on. There will be no one stop. So, this practice should be adopted. Don't waste time. As much as possible, try to hear about this transcendental subject matter, Bhagavatam, Jad Vaishnavanam Priya. It is stated that this Srimad Bhagavatam is very, very dear to the Vaishnavas, to the devotees. In Vrindavan you will find they are always reading Srimad Bhagavatam. That is their life and soul. So now we have got already 6 volumes, and further, how many 8 volumes are coming? So you'll have enough stock. So you should read. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu. That is the main business. That is pure devotional service. Because we cannot devote 24 hours in hearing and chanting, therefore we have extended our activities, program activities in so many ways. Otherwise, Srimad Bhagavatam is so nice. If you practice anywhere, any condition, simply by reading Srimad Bhagavatam, you'll be happy. So, adopt this practice and make your spiritual life perfect more and more. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna